The benefits of buying versus renting are equity off the bat, right? So once you purchase property, that's yours. Once you've been there long enough and the equity has paid for your closing costs, you're automatically in an excellent position because you're going to be able to do with that what you want when you're ready, right? And of course, there's the tax savings involved. When you look and you sit down and take a look at the numbers, you're not only able to write off your mortgage interest, but you can also write off your property taxes, and that's both for a condo and for a co-op. So when I sit down with my clients and I go over the numbers, and usually it only takes 10 or 15 minutes, they're surprised, right? Because they're able to afford purchasing if they can come up with the initial down payment. And if you're creative and you want it, most people can. And that's what I love about what I do, is that I'm the advocate. I'm able to show them that information, and then the next step is the fun part, right? We're going out, we're looking at properties, and that's the beauty of living in New York City, the real estate capital of the world, is you have options as a buyer. You can make it your own, which is another benefit of buying versus renting that you don't have. You obviously have restrictions on rentals. So when you sit down, just take the time, and it's not a lot. Most people are surprised, and that's so gratifying, and that's why I love being a buyer's broker, because I'm an advocate for them, and I walk them through the process. And that's the best advice that I can give people, is just take the time. It's not much. Find a good buyer's broker that you trust, that enjoys you enjoy working with, and that's also something to consider as well, because it is a process, and you want to work with somebody that you enjoy spending time with.